The sun has got his hat on. Hip 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 hooray. The sun has got his hat on and he's coming out to play. Well, we're definitely playing today. And a warm welcome to one and all. And today's video is a belter. For those of you who don't know me, I am the Scruffy Trader, and I trade alongside my own funds, prop funds, for a company called the 5%ers. I've traded for them quite a while, and if you want to see the journey, I've been part of a number of interviews, and I'll drop a link below because I trade over 200,000 for them. And over the course of the last year that I've been involved with the 5%ers, I've seen it evolve massively. They've done a boot camp to try and help you on your journey. They did a summer plan to get you in and sort of see what trading's all about. But now what they're trying to focus on is consistent, profitable traders like myself that not only can do it for longevity, can also back the results up. And I'm going to show you something just now called the FREESTYLE cheat sheet, which will try and put this new program into perspective. But the one thing you need to take away from it is you get 100% of your profits. Now, this is pretty rare, because the first question you're going to ask yourself is, hold on a second here, big lad. If they're getting 100% of the profits, what's in it for them? It's a very valid question, but it's also a very easy question to answer. It's two accounts. You have your account, and they have a secondary account that they copy to. So both accounts are running at the same time from a single transaction. And what happens is, if you're making money in your account, you get 100% of it. It will automatically make money in the other account because it's just mirrored. So it's a very simple process, rather than the way it was before, where it was a singular account and you just split the profit share. So this is an added bonus straight away. Then it's based on, there's no profit targets to hit. There's no sort of drawdowns to hit. It's actually based on your trading. You need to achieve 30 out of 100 trades. So that's actually quite a low barrier. The caveat is they need to be profitable. In other words, you have to have a profit factor greater than 2. But let's explore this a little bit. And we'll do a little watered version of it. So it's called FREESTYLE. And the reason it's called FREESTYLE is very simple. You trade the way you want. You want to trade the news? You trade the news. You want to trade across a weekend, overnight? You do that. Do what you like, as long as the profit factor is sustainable. You know, can you use an EA? Of course you can. Can you sort of trade 10 times a day or 1 time a day? Do what you like, as long as you maintain the profits. Now, this is kind of the way that it works. Your evaluation is basically 100 trades. So over the course of however long, so if you're a swing trader, 100 trades could take you a year. If you're a day trader, you could do it within a month. It's up to you, but it's 100 trades. And you are looking to have a factor of 30. So 30 trades have to be sustainably profitable. Okay, and they certainly have to outweigh the rest of them, right? So this is the caveat, and it's very simple. Performance factor 2, winning factor 30. Now, your performance factor needs to stay above 0. In other words, you have to be in a positive expectancy in order to keep going. Now, within this, because it is a chargeable entry point, and it is very reasonable, and if you're interested, I have posted a discount link to get a few pennies off in the description. But say you're going through it and you think, I'm not quite where I should be, you can reset it, but you can only do it once. All right, so you can sort of have a practice at it, if you like. Think, oh, I'm not quite there. Reset the account, and that is free, and then just start again. All right, so that's a good thing. But if your profit factor dips below 0, game over. All right, just the same as any other prop fund that are out there where they have a max drawdown. If you hit that max drawdown, then you're terminated from the program. Whereas this, there isn't a max drawdown. It's based on your sustainability. Okay. Now there's a little equation of how it works. So if you do 100 trades and you ended at 6% profit, your max relevant drawdown, in other words, they'll look at what your drawdown was across the period of trades, is 3%, just for argument's sake. That will give you a profit factor of 2. In other words, 2 to 1 risk. Okay, but it's spread across the 100 trades. This gives you a little bit of the way that it operates with your average lot sizes. Now the trick is be sensible with your lots, guys. As you should be with all of your trades. If you're swinging for the fences and you're putting on a position too big for what you are setting out to achieve, and you let the account run against you, you'll find it'll dip your profit factor down. You're better off keeping your profits sustainable by keeping your lot sizes sort of, well, let's just say common sense, guys. Okay. And then it comes down here, and you have to have at least 30 profitable trades out of 100, and those 30 profitable trades based on that relevant drawdown needs a profit factor greater than 2 to 1 ratio. And it literally is as simple as that. This is about as easy a program as you're going to get, because you're not restricted. You trade the way you want to trade. You trade for as long as you want to trade, because give it a case in point, the account that I started with, I had 184 days in order to hit a certain target level. Okay, I did it a lot quicker than that, but the point is it was capped. This has no cap. Take your time, do what you need to do, and accumulate your 100 trades sensibly, and you'll be fine. If you're looking to be funded, this is a perfect vehicle. And then once they give you your funded account, you keep 100% of your profits, because as I said at the start, there will be 2 accounts generated at the point of your funding. One for you, one for the 5%ers, and they will just copy across, and you both earn the same amount, and your funding will be up to 4 million, which is life-changing. So there you go. Try it. As I say, there's a discount link below. Get you a few pennies off, and best of luck if you have a go at it. I can put my name to the 5%ers because they pay me very well. If you follow my journey, you'll see exactly how much they pay me, because I have shown you the drawouts and my statements on a regular basis. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.